Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies right out of a box. It's a super easy method perfect for any occasion. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. 1 box of brownie mix, 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. While you're doing that, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare an 8 by 8 inch baking pan by lightly greasing it. This ensures your brownies won't stick. Now that your oven is preheating and your pan is ready, it's time to mix the batter. Carefully empty the entire contents of your brownie mix into a large mixing bowl. Then, add your 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. Using a spoon or spatula, gently stir all the ingredients together. Mix until everything is just combined and no dry spots remain, but be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough brownies. With your batter perfectly mixed, it's time to get those brownies baking. Pour the rich, chocolatey batter evenly into your prepared 8 by 8 inch baking pan. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for the time recommended on the box, usually between 25 and 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter, indicating they are perfectly baked. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial for perfect brownies. Once baked, remove the pan from the oven and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. This can take at least 1 hour or even longer. Cooling allows the brownies to set properly, making them fudgier and much easier to cut into neat squares. Once fully cooled, slice them up and enjoy your wonderfully easy, homemade tasting brownies. They're perfect for sharing or a sweet treat for yourself.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.